Hello guys, did you know that bats are the only mammals capable of true flight? It's true. Bats are the only mammals capable of true flight. With over 1,400 species, they live all around the world except for extreme climates. Many use echolocation to navigate and hunt insects at night. Bats play an important roles to the ecosystem by pollinating plants, dispersing seeds, and controlling insect populations. Despite common myths, most bats are harmless and essential to nature. Some bats can live over 30 years, pretty long for such small animals. Bats often sleep hanging upside down in caves, trees, and buildings during the day. Many species live in large colonies, sometimes in millions. Can you believe that? These are among the largest bats, with wingspans up to 6 feet. They mostly eat fruit and don't use echolocation. Bats face dangers like habitat loss, disease like white nose syndrome in North America, and fear-based killings. Over 1,400 species of bats exist, making them the second largest order of mammals. And they're the only mammals capable of true flight. Their wings are actually modified hands with skin stretched between elongated fingers. Most bats are insectivores. They eat insects. Some are fungivores, fruit eaters, and some feed on nectar, small animals, or even blood, like the famous vampire bat, but they're usually a target to livestock. Goodbye, guys!